from Kiwi Albay. Yan, the next performer natin is awarded as champion last year during the Santo Domingo Regional Drum and Arms Competition 2022, and also the second runner-up during the Magayon Festival DLC Competition 2023, and also the grand champion during the Coron Festival DLC Competition 2023, and also another competing contingent for this year's upcoming Kasangayahan Festival Regional DLC Competition this coming October 13. Alright, so let's wait na makapag-prepare ang ating next performer. Alright, so once again, I would like to acknowledge the presence of our personnel coming from the PNP Santo Domingo. We have Police Major Jennifer Masarin. From Bureau of Fire Protection, we have Fire Inspector Mark Joshua Malano. And from the BJMP Santo Domingo, we have Senior Jail Officer for Arturo Buenas. Maraming salamat po. And also we have the councilors of Santo Domingo Albay, and also we have Vice Mayor Mark Aguas and Mayor Jude Aguas. And also, we'd like to thank the PNP personnel, BJMP Santo Domingo, Kabalikan Civic Hall, Archers, and NDRMO Santo Domingo for securing our activity this afternoon. Maraming salamat po. Alright, our next performer is coming all the way from Kiwi Albay. Ladies and gentlemen, from Kiwi Agro Industrial School DLC, we have Thais Red Phoenix. once again palakpakan natin guys, Red Phoenix all the way from TV Alpay. Maraming salamat po. Also the members of the faculty of TV Alpay National School. Thank you so much for being part of our Fiesta Parade 2020. So sino po yung last year dito sa Santo Domingo? Elementary School. Mabilis na ating mga best. And also we have like